Hello everyone, my name is Suri Graciara Tuhan Rasa. Today I want to tell you a most unique topic to discuss today, that is the Pink Lake of Australian, Lake Hillier's natural wonder. So why I choose this topic, everyone, and I think it's so unique to discuss today because I think um, this topic is related about Australians' famous story. It fascinating journey to one of most mysterious and colorful natural wonders. Lake Hillier, also known as the Pink Lake. Why? It's a real lake and yes, it's naturally pink. So sit back and get ready to discover the sign, the secrets, and the beauty behind the extraordinary places. So everyone, to know this lake Hiller, we we can search about the located in there. So located in Hiller is the largest of island in the research archipelago of the southern coast of Western Australia. What makes it truly unique is its bubblegum pink color, which remains consistently vibrant throughout the year. From above, it looks like a giant splash of strawberry milk next to the dark blue ocean. So, how pink is it, or really? Um, this is not just a slight pink. Thin, the water is actually bright pink, like cotton candy or strawberry yogurt. It is such a vibrant color that even when you scoop it into a container, the water still appears pink. Unlike other colorful lakes, the change with the weather or seasons, Lake Hiller stays pink all year, every round. So, and I think in your mind, maybe you can thinking, what caused the pink color? The pink color is like, you might be wondering, is the dye pollution or magic? Well, scientists believe that the pink color is caused by a combination of natural factors, but a type of microlake called is, what is that? Dunaliella or salina, which produce a red pigment called beta carotene to protect itself from sunlight. And then halobacteria, a type of salt-loving microorganism that also give off reddish pigments. Um, the high salinity levels, the lake is extremely salty, even saltier than the ocean. The mix of these elements create a chemical environment where the water appears pink to the human eye. Even though the exact cause is still under study, most experts agree that microorganisms are the key players. So, is it safe? Can we swim there? I maybe you can think like that, right? And the answer is yes, it's safe. It's a good fact. The salt levels are so high that just like in the Dead Sea, you will float easily. However, Lake Heller is in a protected area, so access is very limited. But people usually see it from the air by taking science flights in the past. Small groups were allowed to visit, but swimming is no longer common because of conservation efforts. And then, why is it so special, right? Maybe you can think like that. This special because Lake Hillier is one of only a few pink lakes in the world and one of the most vibrant. But what makes it even more special is that the color is permanent. It doesn't fade even when the water is removed from the lake. It also is surrounded by a rim of white salt and lush green forests, creating a breathtaking color contrast. Pink, white, green, and blue ocean. It's like naturally painting. And maybe another question in your mind, you will thinking other pink lakes, right? There are other pink lakes in Australia, such as Lake Eyre, Lake Bambuga, but their color are seasonal. But in this topic about Lake Hillier stand out because it remains pink all year round, making it a scientific and visual wonder. So it makes this lake so special. And then um about this lake you can know because it's located a protect nature reserves. It's not open for mass tourism. This is a good because it's help preserve its ecosystem. So I think this is recommend for you to go there. And then some helicopter tours are available from the nearby town of Esperance, but mostly the best view is from above, and honestly, that's where it it looks the most magical. So the fun facts to you for remember this is some fun in there. Um, you must know about Lake Hillier is only about 600 meters long and 20 and 250 meters wide. It was discovered by explorer Matthew Flinders in 1802. Its bright pink color is it still not fully understood. Nature keeps some secrets. And then, so far from this material today, I will uh, share for you about this some summary. That is what does Clay Hiller teach us? That nature is full of surprise. That beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, and that science and mastery of often live side by side. Lake Hiller may be small in size, but it leaves a huge impressions, not just because it's pink, but because it reminds us how colorful our planet really is. So guys, that's all from me about material presentation, Lake Hiller Pink in Australian. Thank you for your attention. I hope this material can give you some new material, new education for you to listen. I think that's all. Thank you.